All right, here we go. This is Neil. It is July 26th, Wednesday. We got the Fed today, did exactly what they said they was going to do, got the rate adjustment quarter point, said we're going to watch the data and stay the course. It's too soon to talk about cuts and pause and all that kind of stuff. Just gotta get inflation down to 2%. Said reasonably probably be into year 25 before we see that, which means, higher for longer is what it means. Is exactly what they said they were going to do. They're going to, and he said, you'll see in the minutes in the next couple of weeks that there were some different views discussed with the different members today in the meeting, and they, some want to stay the course higher for longer, or some think that we're getting, near enough. We'll see. But at any rate, here's what we know. We got exactly what was anticipated, which meant that price did little to nothing today. Started the day at about 45.90, ended at about 45.92. So, a little higher, a little lower, of course, during the day, but nothing much. 45.90 will be your over-under for tomorrow. And if it does go higher, you're looking at 46.33. And if it's lower, like I'm looking, then it'll be down at 45.50. There's a naked point of control down there from the 17th last week at 52. So that's what I'm going to be trying to kind of look for and target. And then, tomorrow, Thursday, there's an ECB and a BOJ, and then Friday, the PCE econ report. Powell mentioned that today in the presser, saying they'll kind of be watching the data and making their decision as to which way, how to proceed from here. But largely that, we'll stay the course and watch the data and stay steadfast at trying to, get inflation down to 2%. We're not there yet, and they don't see it until year 25. So higher for longer is the course. And that's what it looks like for now. So over, under, targets higher and lower, you got it all. I'm personally going to be more than likely looking a little bit short tomorrow, down trying to, if it's sets up for and we can find a way to be short, then I'll be targeting 45.50 tomorrow. That's what I know. Until I'm with you again, hope you have good trading, and talk to you again soon.
Without simpler trading, I could not have financial independence.
This is one of the best investments I ever made in my life.
It's helping me find consistency. It's one of the things that won me